Assalamu alaikum. Here back again, we are discussing the financial system. As we mentioned previously from this infograph, that we are going to discuss the financial infrastructure, the financial management, and the audit. If we are going to summarize this infogram in the following diagram, so we can obtain this pyramid for the financial system, since this pyramid got its base in form of the financial infrastructure, as we discussed previously in detail. This financial infrastructure, one of its main sides is the financial management, and the other side is the audit, either the internal or the external. So we discussed previously with you the financial infrastructure, and we are going now to discuss the financial management in this video. When we are talking about the financial management in these videos, the incoming videos, we will discuss it from the type of data point of view. What's meant by type of data point of view? Financial management deal with two types, or two main types of data, which is the historical data and the predictive data. The predictive data relates to the future, and the historical relates to the past. The historical data is dealing with zakat and tax system, and financial accounting and reporting system. Mainly, these two parties are dealing with the historical data. The zakat and tax system required to prepare the tax return, or the zakat return in Gulf region, and the financial and accounting reporting system required to introduce financial statements at the end of each period, and this period mainly is about 1 year, to be introduced either to the Ministry of Commerce or to the other beneficiaries, either financial institutions or other parties. The predictive data is dealing with the managerial accounting system, which deal with internal users, since they got no standard reports, so they depend on custom reports to support management in take decisions. Financial accounting and reporting system, we will discuss with you for-profit accounting, not-for-profit and governmental accounting, and the third part, which is the cost accounting, which represent the link between the managerial accounting and the financial accounting, since the cost accounting depends on the historical data in order to build up for the predictive data in form of budget or other future financial analysis, as we will going to discuss with you. In discussing the for-profit accounting, we will deal with the financial accounting and reporting, and financing. The financial accounting and reporting, we will going to cover archiving system and financial information characteristics, financial statement elements recognition and measurement. Financing, we will going to cover with you personal finance, business finance, and public finance, which is the link between the not-for-profit and the for-profit. In this point, let me to discuss a main point with you. The financial statements, elements recognition and measurement, that we will going to discuss with you. First of all, we will going to discuss it for the for-profit accounting, from the accounting standards related to whatever country we are talking about, or according to the IFRS, or the GAAP related to some Arab and Gulf countries, as we will going to discuss with you. This for the for-profit accounting. On the same side, we will going to deal with the not-for-profit and the governmental accounting. In dealing with the not-for-profit and the governmental accounting, we will going to deal with the financial statements elements recognition measurement also relates to the not-for-profit and the governmental accounting plus the public finance. Why? The public finance or the finance is the point that no one can um, ignore it. Either the for-profit or the not-for-profit. The for-profit is looking to the finance either this in form of self-finance or debt finance. The not-for-profit mainly based on charities and other outsourcing financing institutions. So we will going to deal with this public finance as a link between the finance for the for-profit and the finance for the not-for-profit as we will going to discuss it with you. Business finance, we will going to discuss inshallah the ideal financial structure and the financial economic system, which we will cover with you financial markets and financial institutions, means of finance and financial instruments. When we are going to discuss the cost accounting with you, we are going to deal with the cost measurement, performance evaluation, planning, budgeting, and decision support. In talking about the performance evaluation, we will cover the financial analysis and regulatory and strategic analysis. In talking about the financial analysis, we will cover horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, cash flow analysis, ratio analysis, and cost analysis. Finally, in the regulatory strategic analysis, we will cover with you change in principles, change in accounting policies, and reviewing the strategies in case of changing in any of these regulatories and its effect. This point will be covered here and also will be covered in the financial statement elements recognition and measurement in the accounting standards relates to the change in principle, as we will discuss with you. If we are going to summarize this infograph in a form of an icon or a diagram as we used to, we can imagine this building as we got a base. This base consists of three base elements, which is the zakat and tax system, the archiving system, accounting and reporting system. Also, we will depend on other sides, which is the financing system, including the personal finance, business finance, and the public finance, as we mentioned. And when we are talking about the cost accounting system, we will cover cost measurement, performance evaluation, planning, and budgeting. This is the other side of our building. So this could be an icon for what we are going to discuss in the incoming videos, inshallah. So we can review it every time to determine our destination in what we had covered and what we will going to cover, inshallah. Thank you. That's for this time, and I hope that you got a complete benefit, and thanks for your listening. Assalamu alaikum.